Ladies and gentlemen, how many of you know that 32% of Sri Lanka's labor force derives its income from the agriculture? Almost 8.2 million people in Sri Lanka depend on agriculture for their livelihood. And in the first quarter of 2014, drought has affected 240,000 of families and 214,000 of tons of rice harvest has been lost. If this is the situation in tiny island like Sri Lanka, imagine the world? Especially the continents like Africa, where 700 million people depend on agriculture. So what can be the solution to this problem? We would not be able to create water, but making most out of this scarce resource would help. But how? Using the technology. So the sprinklers and drip irrigation systems came into play, and they effectively saved 12 to 84% depending on the crop. Different crops, they save about 12 to 84% of the water, and still, it needs lots of manual labor. You need to switch on the sprinklers in different times of the day according to the crop, in different amount of water you need to provide. So how it would be if you can eliminate this manual labor and get it automated? So digital irrigation automation precisely provides that. So what we are going to do, how it works, let's look at it. So we have this device, Arduino device, which controls the sprinklers, and they will get registered to our DIA system hosted in IdeaMart and in the DevSpace API. Once they get registered, they will have a PIN, and for the security reasons, they will be paired up with your phones, and you can control your sprinklers just by sending an SMS. How it would be easy. So let's look at a demo. So this is right now hosted in IdeaMart. You can just send an SMS saying DIA on to 77200 and get the sprinkler started. And that's not it. You will get an alert saying, okay, this is the weather condition on your agricultural land. This is the temperature. This is the soil moisture. And then if you want to off it, you can just type DIA off and send it to the same SMS. So that is this easy to control the your irrigation of your land. Okay, this is real IoT, Internet of Things solution, mashed up with so much of technologies. What are they? USSD, SMS, telco platform, open hardware, weather APIs. Although we provide USSD-based configuration and SMS-based controlling, it's not because we don't want the farmers to go through the hassle of operating a computer or a smartphone. You don't have to have a smartphone. Just a feature phone, you can just send an SMS and control irrigation. Although we do that, we also have web capability, where in the web, you have much more control and the facilities. You can add as many as devices, and you can schedule your irrigation according to your crop you're using, and you can schedule it, and it would be irrigate automatically. So, just controlling, is that it? No, it's just one part of our solution. In the manual mode, you control and schedule. But there is another mode, alert mode. Imagine you are a farmer and you live far away from your land and it rains. While it's raining, you don't have to irrigate water. So, because our solution basically focuses on the optimization of water. So, you will get weather, in the alert mode, you will get weather alerts, the temperature, the soil moisture, and the notification so that your decision making becomes so much easier. And in the intelligent mode, you can, there will be an intelligent system which make decisions for you. How? Based on the temperature inputs, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, soil moisture sensors. Based on those inputs, the machines will send the commands to the sprinklers. So, what is the cost of implementing this solution? It's just, as you can see the cost breakdown, it's just $32 to get it done. And what would be our business model? It's a subscription-based business model, and imagine there are just, I have told you, it's 8.2 million people, and if just 500 farmers signing up for this solution, and we will have $750. So why DIA? It eliminates the manual work, and because it automates, It's multi-channel, USSD, web, and SMS based, and it optimizes the use of scarce resource. And also, no smartphone is just a smartphone. So this is our documentation site. It's a cheap, affordable, and simple solution.
I'm sorry, team number 13, your time is up.
Okay, it's time for questions.
Okay, team can come up to the stage.